Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a DIY for you. If you've ever wondered what to do with all those old tea lights that just won't light anymore, well, why not do what I'm doing and make your own candle out of it? So here we go with the process of making your own candle out of lots of dodgy old bits of tea light. Now the first thing you need to do, as you can see, is gather up all your tea lights or old scented candles, whatever's either got no wick or has burnt down so there's only the slightest bit left, but you just don't want to waste it. And then get a empty candle holder that you can put all the pieces of wax into it. It's really simple. All you need is a homemade wick, which you can buy from many craft stores, and a knife to cut up all the bits of wax and scrape them out of the tea light holder. And the first step is to cut up all your tea lights using a knife. Now you can see I started with a placemat, which wasn't good because the knife can go through the tin foil at the bottom. So get yourself a bit of old MDF or a bit of old wood that you don't mind if it gets a bit scratched, rubbish, and then start cutting out and scraping your candles. Be really careful when you're doing this, depending on how sharp the knife is. This one wasn't brilliantly sharp, so I did struggle a little bit, and it did take me a while to cut through all the tea lights that I had, as you can see by this pile on the left hand side of the video. And this purple scented one was really tough to cut through. As you can see, it gave me a lot of problems with following the shape of it, so I'd recommend using a sharper knife on these ones. And here you can see that I've moved on to another candle. This one was one that came in the holder, but it just won't burn around the edges, so I thought, why not, I'll just throw this in with the other ones as well. Now, after I decided to put all the candle bits into the candle holder, I realised that all the scented bits were on the top and the other bits weren't underneath, so I got a separate bowl and turned the candle upside down so I could more easily mix the regular tea lights and the scented tea lights, so that the scent would go all the way through the candle rather than just having the top layer scented and the rest as being boring. And then once I'd mixed all of the pieces together, I went back to the candle holder and poured them back in, securing them down whilst maintaining that the wick was in the right place. Cut the wick off, and then, as you can see now, this is what it looks, all lit up and lovely. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think, whether you tried that out. If you do, tag me on Instagram or anything like that so I can see how yours turned out as well. And happy DIYing. Like the video if you like it was too soon. Subscribe if you want to see more and continue with me on this journey. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.